Dave here in Rancho Santa Fe, California, and I'm doing a repair on a beautiful big pool here where they've got Rio rocks everywhere. And got the usual calcification that comes through over time, but the rebar they make just too close to the edge. It's just right underneath there, so we had a rust crack going the whole way down. So we grind that out, dovetail it out, and then we're going to put a high strength cement in there, and that should take care of it, and we'll build it up a little bit, mound it out a little bit too. You can see it's the same on top. They got the same problem up on top up here, so you want to make sure you get coverage over that steel, the stuff I'm always talking about. And yeah, otherwise you end up with these rust spots. So I continue to clean out the crack, open it up, dovetail both directions, and I might put a little Acuron in there too, that gel product that goes into the concrete and gets it hard. So Dave out here in Rancho Santa Fe doing one of those little repair jobs, and we'll give it a little paint and be good to go. But yeah, make sure you got cement over your rebar, people, when you're making stuff. All right, see you later.